Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. In this video, we are discussing about wall partition, room partitions, room divider, jar free. They are called by several names and one of the most useful product in any home, in offices, new studios, and you have seen it several times at behind the back of politicians and several people. In fact, at the time of this work from home during the corona time, this was one of the most high selling item because people were sitting at home and they wanted to separate one space for that particular video calls or the work. These are temporary walls and you can erect anywhere and use it as you want it. I'll give you complete details about each unit, about the sizes, material, color, how to use it, how they are placed, everything in this video. And after this video, you will have all the answers about a wall partition or room divider or room partition, as you may call it. Basically, room dividers are made in two types: shisham wood, this one is shisham wood, and mango MDF. Mango MDF is the new thing, the modern thing. The traditional classical units were made in shisham wood only, and it's 100% shisham wood. The entire unit is in shisham. And if you look closely, you will find the texture of the wood as well at several places. And shisham is one of the hardest woods, and that is why it was made in shisham. And we have got several designs for shisham wood as well, and a modern design. I'll come to that as well. I'll give you more details about that. This is a round partition. We have the standard rectangular designs as well in shisham wood, and they're very fine carved designs. And this is all hand carved. This is not machine made, hand carved designs. And in shisham, we have very fine carving Kashmiri designs also that are available on the website. You can see, and whichever you like, you can order. The standard placement, the standard setup of any partition is 4 panels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 panels. That's a standard partition. And a standard partition is 20 inches each panel. One panel is 20 inches, 20, and the height is 6 feet. This is a standard formation of any partition. Now, depending on your requirement, you want 4, you want 3, you want 2, you want 5, you want 6, we provide you accordingly. The second thing is how you want to place it. The classical style of placing a partition is like this, the zigzag formation. As you can see, this is a simple moving partition. I'll place it again, I'll show you. This is how it is folded, and you can take it anywhere you like. And if you want to place it, simply place it anywhere you like. Just need to open this and stretch it to the maximum it can, and this will work. So 20 inches each panel, so total is 80 inches, 80. But when you place it zigzag, it covers around 6 feet of area on the floor, because the zigzag also takes some space. So 6 feet area it will cover. But the other way, if you want to cover the entire space, you want to make it completely straight, we have got extra legs that can be placed underneath. I'll show you the process, how it works. I'll show you a little later. Very simple installation it has. So it can be placed straight, so you cover the entire 80 inches. This is in mango MDF, this is in mango MDF, and the colors that you see differently, this is as per the client's requirement. In fact, all these partitions are for a single client, and they wanted different colors, so we have done different colors on the unit. The standard is a brown color partition that we make, and these are different designs. I'll start with this one on the side. It's a sun kind of design, and it's an antique finish, as you can see. And when we have mango MDF, the side strip is mango and the jali in the middle is MDF. This part is MDF, and the size, as I mentioned, 20 inches each panel, height is 6 feet. The standard partition. Then we have a 4 feet partition here in 2 panels as the client wanted. Then we have a 30 inches panel, and the height is a little more because we have got legs underneath, so a couple of inches more than 6 feet. So this is a single panel, and sometimes you require this as well. And here we have one more 2 panel. 2, 3, 4, 5 number of panels is as per your choice. Again, one more design, standard, very classical strip design, simple design, and you can see it here. Then we have a little more open kind of design with some elephant design at the bottom. It's in natural finish, again in 4 panels, and a similar kind of design that we see in several places, and a more designer one, but more transparent as well, because the jali work is quite open here. Again, mango MDF. This one is our highest selling design, the mixed design we call it. 6 feet height, again 20 inches each panel, and this comes in all the requirements: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any panels you want, we provide it accordingly. Another design in dark color, And then we have the round partition. Round partition is a smaller size. Each panel is 15 inches. The height in the center is 6 feet. It is going downwards. So here it comes around 5.5 feet and it goes down further. This 15 inches each panel. So total is 60 inches, 5 feet. But when you place it like this in zigzag formation, it covers around 4 feet of area on the floor. And a nice design with the peacock in the middle right here, as you can see. For the same unit, a little different design, the round partition, as you can see here, in shisham wood. As I mentioned about shisham wood, we have got several designs, but this one is in round shape. Now coming to this one is the same mango MDF design, but in golden finish. It's Duco paint. So far I have shown you everything in polish. All the colors are in natural polish, different color of polishes. This is Duco paint, and I have got legs along with that. I'll show you how easy the installation is when you want to place it straight. I'll show you the installation is very simple, but you will need a person to hold the partition because it's a big thing. So let me ask someone to hold it. So take the leg, place it like this and turn it like this. So these are screws. These screws goes inside the hole, you can see, and once you tighten the screw, it is fixed here. In the middle partitions, in the middle panels, what you need to do is you place it and you need to get it right in the middle of both the panels. So it will need a little more work like this, and it goes right in the middle of both the panels. And now you can see the panel goes straight. The panel goes straight and you can place all the legs. So 4 panels, you will get 5 legs, and just tighten the screw and it is a straight partition for you. It will stand really straight. Very simple installation. Anybody can do it. You don't need any technical help. You don't need a carpenter, and it's very easy to install as well. We have delivered entire India and huge numbers. The prices are not very high. You can visit our website, and on the website we have given prices for all of them. Shisham wood partitions are made on order, so a few units we don't have prices there. We give you price once you inquire about the unit. But the prices of wooden mango MDF are all on the website, and the prices include delivery anywhere across India, packing, shipping, taxes inclusive. Quite a useful item and economical as well, in lower prices, in best prices, and right on the website. And as you can see here, so these are the mango MDF designs and the shisham design, and as I mentioned, these are low cost products, and I've shown you the placement. The other question sometimes comes that how sturdy are these when they are placed. So this is a unit placed right here in zigzag formation. They doesn't fall that easily, as you can see, unless someone manually throws them down. I've shown you. So this is how it is. They are not fixed units, so definitely they can fall if someone really throw it back or push it. But yes, you place it and they stand in their place without any issue. If you have any question, the number is on the website. The number is right here in the video. Contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement, and we can deliver it right to your home anywhere in India. Thank you. Dhanyavad.